Hello, cocktail connoisseur. My name is Johnathan Jones. I'm the beverage manager in Bandista, Houston at the Four Seasons. Today, I'm going to make for you one of our classic cocktails that we've made a small twist on. We call it the Menage. You'll find out why soon. So we will start with a base. This has ½ ounce of cognac, 1 ounce of a cacao liqueur, Tempus Fugit. Then we do a 1/4 ounce of a coffee liqueur and a 1/4 ounce of a coconut liqueur. So we do this, 2 ounce of heavy cream. I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar, just granulated white sugar. This will give it a nice crystalline texture as you enjoy the cocktail. But in Bandista, we like to be a little bit elevated and have fun with the drinks. So rather than shaking it, I'm actually going to stir the drink with liquid nitrogen. So we'll be making ice cream to order. The cocktail idea came to me whenever we were working on the menu. We had liquid nitrogen to play with, and I started messing around and accidentally froze one of the cocktails I was making and realized that I would be able to make ice cream pretty easily. So the idea evolved from there. It takes a little bit of time. You have to make sure that it gets nice and frozen. Once it's about halfway, I add a little bit of chocolate. This is a blend of dark chocolate, cacao, and a little white chocolate as well, just for a variety of flavors, bitterness, sweetness, and complexity. You see it's starting to form. We're going to add a little more liquid nitrogen. Okay, my ice cream is beautiful. I'm going to chill my glassware. This is just a little liquid CO2 chiller. Okay. It wouldn't be a Brandy Alexander without a little fresh nutmeg. But to complete the drink, we also present on a tray. We have a wonderful perfumery in the lobby named Kriegler. It's a cognac-scented fragrance. So that is one of the elements of the Menage a Trois. So it is a Brandy Alexander that's done 3-way. With this, a little hot water, a little more liquid nitrogen, give you an aromatic effect that will smell of cognac and get you excited about the drink. The last element, since it's Trois, will be a little bit of cacao washed cognac. So we've taken cacao butter and fat washed it in cognac, let it to rest overnight to have a wonderful nose of chocolate, the texture of cream, and the taste of cognac. And then this is our Menage a Trois. Wonderful.